Good day, family and friends, and welcome once again to Smokepot and Balance Kitchen. You're here with your one and only Mr. Smokepot, and today I'm going to be doing for you some curry chicken feet. People call it chicken toes, chicken feet, chicken fingers, but it doesn't really matter. Here I have some right here, cleaned with lime and vinegar. I already clip off the toes. As a matter of fact, some of us may not know how to deal with it, so I left two toes to show you guys exactly how it's done. So these are the chicken feet, that's how we call them. Here are the toenails. You get your scissors and you just cut them off. Alright, you cut them off like so. I already even washed these, but I'll have to wash them again. I washed them in vinegar and I wash them in salt. See, you cut them off like so. And that's all where that is concerned, right? Then you're gonna be washing them off, and then we're gonna be doing the seasoning. Now the seasoning that we're gonna be working with, as you can see right there, it's scallion, it's thyme, it's onion, it's garlic, and it's some Scotch bonnet pepper. In terms of my powder seasoning, I'm going to be using some chicken seasoning, some pimento seeds, some black pepper, some adobe, Mrs. Dash, I mean not adobe, some Mrs. Dash, and I have some curry here. The curry that I'm using is island spice. So once again, the seasoning I'm working with is thyme, some onion. You guys know I love my onions. Some Scotch bonnet pepper right here. Some scallion. And some garlic. Now for the powder seasoning, we're going to be using a little black pepper. Just a little bit. As you can see, my portion today is a little less. I'm also going to be using some chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, alrighty, some pimento seed, 1/2 teaspoon, pimento seed, Mrs. Dash, put a tablespoon, a teaspoon, not table, a teaspoon of Mrs. Dash. Alright, and then your curry, use a tablespoon of curry with this amount, alright? And then after that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna rub them up nicely together. We're gonna rub this up all nice and thing, and then we're gonna have it sitting and marinate. We're gonna make it marinate for approximately half an hour. We're gonna have it marinating for half an hour, after which we're gonna go to the fire. Sometimes I usually burn the curry. Whenever I'm cooking anything that takes less than 40 minutes to cook, I burn my curry. But because the chicken feet is gonna take over an hour, I don't need to burn the curry. It's gonna be cooked long enough wherein it won't have that effect on your belly. So see you again after I'm about to put the chicken feet in the pot. Alright guys, so guys, as you know, the food was sitting for an half an hour, my chicken feet. So now we put them in the pot, and we're gonna have them cook. As you can see, we're gonna leave this to come to a boil, right? And we're gonna have it cook for about half an hour, because the curry chicken feet is gonna take approximately an hour, maybe a little over an hour. And at about the half an hour stage, I want to add my coconut cream, my potatoes, and my butter beans and all those goodies. Alright, so catch you back in a few. So guys, My curry chicken foot has been cooking for now about half an hour. So at this time we're gonna do a little small test to see how tender it's getting. And then you know so beautiful. That's just one lick and it's very beautiful. It's still a bit on the hard side, not too hard. So at this time I'm gonna be adding some coconut cream. I want the coconut cream. Why I didn't put it in from the beginning is I do not want it to completely cook out because it's going to become too oily. But now I have approximately the next 20 minutes for this to cook down into a nice gravy and everything. So that's the time I usually put my coconut cream, right? Because as I said, some people suffer from tummy ache from the coconut cream if it's not properly cooked. So I always try to cook it for at least say 20 minutes thereabouts. And on the flip side, I do not try to cook it much longer because it produces oil. And with the collagen from the chicken foot and all of that, we don't need no more grease in it. Alright, so I'm also going to be adding some potatoes. As you can see, I cut them relatively, huge. So I'm going to put some potatoes also. And as you know, it's curry chicken foot with butter beans. And I'm going to add my butter beans to it. So in 20 minutes time, this pot is supposed to cook all the way down into a nice gravy. And it's supposed to be an extremely delicious curry chicken foot with butter bean. Today we're going to be serving it with white rice, and I love my curry, any type of curry with white rice. So we're going to be cooking it, eating with some white rice, and I'll make a little salad on the side, alright? Okay, my curry chicken foot is to be ready. Soft potatoes, beans, everything seems good. So turn this off. And I told you I was going to do white rice with some lettuce and tomatoes, but I changed my mind. So I made some mushroom. I sauteed some mushroom with some eggplant and some cabbage. So that's what I did with the rice. So now I'm just going to finish plating with my chicken feet and beans on top of my white rice. I know many of you who haven't had this before might be saying there's no meat, but yes, there is meat on it. But you just gotta be patient. You can't be just wanting to finish before you even start. Alright, so here is my curry chicken feet with butter beans, and as you can see, it's plated with some mushroom, some cabbage, some eggplant, tomatoes and all of that. I'm going to put it down so you can take a good view. Alright, let me tidy up right here for my photo op. And then I'm going to be tasting. So here we go. Okay guys. This food is smelling so aromatic and so delicious. As you can see, the color from that curry is just really nice. Always have to give thanks, alright, especially in this time. So let me start off with a piece of the potato, because potatoes go well with curry, extremely well with curry. Perfect balance, perfect combination, perfection. This is a piece of my eggplant. Put a little piece of bean and curry bean on it. That's lovely. Mushroom, I enjoyed spicy, so I made it spicy. I didn't make the chicken foot too spicy, so it complements it remarkable, incredibly well. Let me take a little spoon of the rice with the gravy. It's a nice spoon I'm taking right now, nice fork at least. Delicious, guys. Delicious. Delicious. Now for the chicken foot. As I'm saying, some people may think no flesh is on it, but pay attention. Right? You're gonna eat slowly. It's hot. You take your time and you dive down. You get rid of the bones and you be patient and enjoy this very delicious meal. So guys, once again, remember, it's Smokepot and Balance Kitchen. Subscribe, share, like. Continue to help us grow. Thanks for the support as usual. And you know that one of these days, hopefully, Smokepot will be able to treat you all. Be safe. Peace out. God bless.